welcome. I'm Patrizia Pinzon from ARCO Properties, and today you're going to see a very, very special building. Follow me. You may have recognized this building because it's a beautiful corner. The owners call it esquina, which in Spanish means corner. And here you can see why. You have the whole corner location 4th and A with the balconies. And if you go outside, you'll recognize the palms. This is one of the most photographed homes in the whole of Casco Antiguo. It has actually 4 floors. On its ground level, you'll find the commercial space and the entrance to the home. And yes, the whole thing is just one home. It can be divided, of course. In fact, at the very beginning of the project, it was thought to be divided. But today, it's a beautiful home, and who would like to divide this amazing 4-story home? So here you're in the living room, and the living room is divided between the corner section and what in the future, if you'd like, could be another bedroom. You have a full bathroom on this side, and this was made for an expansion for somebody that would need another bedroom or a den, an office, but a wonderful open plan. The nook is one of the characteristics of this home, and it's one of the very few in Casco Viejo. So you see, this is the area, then living room, dining area, open kitchen, which is super spacious. Beautiful to host dinners with, parties. We've been here to so many events, and I can tell you firsthand, this kitchen works. Now let's see upstairs. So welcome to the main bedroom area. So here's where you'll find an office space, the master bedroom, the master bathroom, and as you can see, is light, light, light. You can open all of these windows. Morning, you'll get all this super intense light in the morning breeze, and in the afternoon you get that golden glow. So this is one of the favorite rooms for the family. It's an open floor space. You will see it has a lot of books. In fact, they have chosen to divide the master bedroom with books. You could divide it with a real wall. And welcome to the bedroom. I'm a bedroom fanatic and a bathroom fanatic. So this would be the master bedroom, super high ceilings, and you can see super romantic with an arched window. So as I said, I am a bathroom fanatic, and look at this bathroom. It's so spacious, it's a room on its own. And the bathtub is so romantic, and the views you haven't seen. This is a water view bathroom. It's amazing. From here, the first thing you do in the morning is check out the surf. Especially if you like paddling, this is so easy. You come, you brush your teeth, check out the surf, take your board, go to 3rd Street and welcome to the current guest bedroom. This has amazing views all over, and this is what's going to connect you to that beautiful roof terrace that you see from the street. Welcome to your entertainment area. This is made for dinners up to 12 people or a little bit more. So you'll see you have here your table, you have your lounging area, and you have a barbecue side, which is perfect to serve everybody but not be on the way. So this is absolutely thought out for entertaining, for having your friends over, or just to relax. The day is beautiful, the sky is blue. This is the perfect roof terrace.